This is the Formyoula Connections page, where you can take any piece of information from your Formyoula form and choose what object records you want to create on Salesforce. In the Salesforce objects list, you can select any custom or standard object from your Salesforce. In this example, we have a new lead capture form, where we want to take all the fields from the form and create a new lead record on Salesforce. So we'll select the lead object. So every time a new lead capture form has been submitted, a new lead record will be created on Salesforce. So when we made the selection, we can click Save. After selecting the object, the next step is to map the Formyoula form fields from the left select list to the Salesforce object fields on the right select list. So we have a very simple one-page form where we have the company name, first name, last name, email, and product interest. So we want to bring these 5 fields and record them on Salesforce. In addition, there are some system fields that you can choose to map to Salesforce as well, like for example the form name, the credit by, the user information that you can record as an audit trail in your Salesforce if the users are not Salesforce users to still know who's been submitting these entries. In addition, there's geolocation that you can capture on the forms that is automatically recorded when a form entry has been submitted, and you can take this information and record it in the geolocation fields inside your Salesforce. So first, what we'll do is we'll make sure that we map all the fields from our form. So we'll start with the company, and on the right select list, we have all the lead object fields that we have in our Salesforce, the custom and the standard fields, and now we just need to make sure that we map them to the right fields in Salesforce. So we'll do this one by one. A very important thing to note is that you need to make sure that all the required fields are mapped. So for example, the company name and last name are 2 required fields on the Salesforce lead object. And if these fields are not mapped or not provided, then Salesforce is going to reject the new lead record from Salesforce. Now that we've mapped all the fields from the Formyoula form to the Salesforce lead object fields, we can try out the form and see if the records are created successfully in Salesforce and all the right fields are filled in. Using the Formyoula mobile web app, we'll open the new lead capture form that we've just mapped to the lead object on Salesforce, and we'll capture one entry to see if it's successfully created on Salesforce, and all these fields from Formyoula are mapped to the Salesforce lead object fields on Salesforce. After the form entry has been submitted on Salesforce, now we can see that the new lead record has been created with the first name, last name, company, product interest, and email from our Formyoula form. Thank you for watching. For more guides, please visit support.formyoula.com. Thank you.